So last week was a huge success for our portfolio. I wanted to hop on here really quick and talk about our biggest winners and what we're doing going into this week and how today is a huge day for the stock market as a whole with the Fed meeting. So if we jump right into it, Google, they announced stellar earnings and along with their first dividend. I mean, how could it have gone better? It was amazing. However, after its big jump, post earnings, it's actually came down quite a bit, which is good. It gives us more chance to buy if it keeps going. But our average cost is down in the 140s, so maybe if it drops to the 150s, we'll maybe start buying more. But overall, very happy with that. So Tesla announced earnings, but we already covered that for the most part. But they had a crazy rally. Let's find Tesla real quick. It's down 2% today, but if you look at the week chart, I mean, all the way from 160 to 196. Insane. That's crazy. And then it's coming back down, cooling off a little bit. So we'll see what's next for Tesla. But overall, very happy with that. We're actually up on our shares now. And we were down like 20%. Now we're up. So craziness there. But the reason they continued to rally after earnings was Elon Musk made a surprise visit to China in talks of permitting supervised FSD, which is insane. I think they announced a partnership with, I don't know how you pronounce that, Baidu or whatever. But another big announcement for our portfolio, a big change. We sold SCHD. As you see, it's no longer one of our holdings. So I have nothing against SCHD. I think it's a great holding, a great ETF, but I want to focus more on growth in this early stage of our portfolio and our investment journey. Once we get, to the 50K mark, maybe, and the 100K mark, which will be sooner rather than later. I know it seems far away now, but it'll come quick. It will come quick with how much we're adding into it. Then maybe I'll start, looking more into dividend-focused ETFs like SCHD or DGRO, stuff like that for more secure and, get that dividend snowball effect going. But right now, we're going to focus on growth. That's what I decided, and that's what I think is going to be best for our portfolio. Does it mean more volatility? Yes. So we will experience wilder swings, but overall, in the long term, we'll experience, greater returns than the dividend investing route, I think. So we're going to see how that goes. As you see, we got some buying power here. I've been buying stuff with SCHD money, buying some Microsoft, some Meta, like I talked about last video. Amazon actually announced earnings yesterday. Great earnings. They didn't pop that much, which is great. So I would definitely be buying more when I get the chance. Right now, I'm just trying to build out my Meta position, adding to my Microsoft, because I want to get around 2K in each of these. And I think my biggest one's still Tesla, but that won't be for long. That's just because we kept adding to it when it was dropping like crazy. So. But the Fed meeting happens today. They're going to discuss the interest rates. Nobody's expecting an interest rate cut today, but they will be paying attention to what he says about the future ones. So I'm expecting a lot of volatility around 2 p.m., 2:30 p.m. I think it is, probably to the negative side or downside. We'll see. So we got Apple earnings on Thursday after hours. So that'll be exciting. Not super positive about Apple. There's been a lot of negativity and red flags going on over there, but we'll see how it goes. I mean, it's still a stellar company. And what is our focus right now? So our focus right now, and believe it or not, guys, I have been keeping a close eye on NVIDIA. I would, if it would get to the 800 range, maybe 790. I'd be more comfortable buying because it's terrifying buying up here, man. But I mean, if you look at this chart, you're like, oh my gosh, it's gone up so much. But then you take a look at their forward PE, and it's like, it's not that expensive, compared to AMD, which reported earnings yesterday. So technically, AMD is more expensive on a forward PE basis than Nvidia. So that's crazy to think about. So yeah, we're keeping an eye on NVIDIA. We're building out our positions in these, the Magnificent Seven, as you'd call them. So don't plan on adding the Tesla anytime soon, unless it drops, below to the 150 range, maybe. Apple, I like it below 170. Google below 160. Amazon, I'd like to start buying some now. Microsoft under 400, I'd love that. And Meta, we're gonna try to add there because their 4P usually low too, so I see some big potential there. Um, but yeah, that's about it. That's our plan for this week. I've been working a lot, trying to save as much money as possible, and investing is really important. Um, I don't make that much. I'm definitely don't. I don't make that much money. But I do, save and invest quite a large chunk of what I earn, and that's how I've got what I got here. So anybody can do it. You just gotta, plan and budget and be disciplined. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.